Hi guys, Kelsey from Hot Rods. I miss everybody. Today we're gonna be making a peach bourbon smash. I have some peaches, mint, simple syrup, soda water, and my favorite, bullet bourbon. So I'm gonna begin with putting some peaches in, then some mints, add some simple syrup. Then I'm gonna muddle them. All right. I'm gonna add my ice. Most important, my bourbon. Seltzer. Mix it. We're gonna garnish it with a slice of peach. Add some mints. Cheers, guys. That's your peach bourbon smash.
It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good. Watch out now. Cause baby, I feel real good and I wish I would. Watch out now. It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good. Watch out now. Everybody watch out. Watch out now. I'm ready for a good time and I came to groove. The whole band's here and we came to move. Got a fresh haircut and 2 new shoes.
All right, welcome back to Winging It. Carlos and Rod Cook Everything. I'm Rod.
Carlos.
And today, every now and then we like to cook something that I can't pronounce. So what is this called again, Carlos?
That's called ají ecuatoriano.
That, and what is that in English?
It's a hot sauce that, pretty much is a traditional hot sauce. If you go to Ecuador, Peru, or down South America, they have their own variation of this kind of sauce that they make with a specific wine tree tomato. And it's kind of different.
Wine tree?
Wine tree tomato.
Okay.
It's the traduction to English, but in Spanish is Tómate de Arbol. Nosotros allá en Ecuador, mi mamá, mi papá, love this.
Okay.
They cannot eat anything without that. Like, they have to be for breakfast sometime, they have to be for lunch or for dinner. They have to be some kind of...
It's almost like a hot sauce or like
It is, all depends of who's made it. Okay. Like, if you want to make some hot sauce just kind of long, you make it with 3-4 jalapeños or hot peppers or whatever peppers you have around. Okay. But if you want something mellow, you use one. The reason that we boil up the tomatoes. So what we're making right now is pretty much this is the flavor for the ají, Ecuadorian ají, or ají ecuatoriano. This is wine tree tomatoes, or in Spanish is Tómate de Arbol. It's really a nice fruit. It is really good. And the reason that we boil them up is because it's gonna be easy to us to peel it out. And you will see it when we start making the sauce over there, how the consistency of this fruit or this vegetable is really good. That's because it's more easy to peel it up.
Okay.
And once you peel it up, the blend is really nice and the color is kind of yellowish, and depending on the jalapeno or the pepper, it's gonna take the same color of the pepper.
Okay, so what do we have? What do we have here?
Right here we have cilantro, fresh garlic. Thank you, Rod, for the peppers from your
That's from my garden right there. Yep.
Habanero,
hot pepper.
hot pepper.
You get the name of it?
Cebollin or scallions, red onions. I will show the camera.
And then your favorite
my favorite
spice of all time, right?
That's cumin.
And then salt and pepper.
It's salt, pepper.
Yep.
And oil, of course. Yep. And right here we already boiled up the tomatoes. We're gonna take them up.
So these don't grow on a vine, but these are on an actual tree.
It's a tree. It's called a tree, but definitely it's not as tall as you think. Probably the highest maybe 7 feet tall.
Okay.
It's not really a huge, like small. So I will show you.
But are these like a tomato like we have here? We can just slice up and put it in a salad, or you have to cook this tomato?
Actually, this is more like consumer food. It's like, it's like it had to be really ripe to you enjoy if you want to eat it raw.
Okay.
But if you eat it like that, it's kind of sour.
Okay.
All right, so
And you said every family has their own version of this.
everybody.
It's not the same.
Yeah. Actually, last night I was talking to my mom to remind me exactly what it have to do to the
You made
basic.
that call down to Ecuador and
Yeah,
make sure everything
I
was
did.
got it right?
Yeah. So there you
Oh
go.
wow, it does peel easy. You don't even need a knife to peel it.
This is right on it, and I don't know, but you can smell it. It's a different smell. Like it's.
And you say these only grow in South America?
Yeah, I
And-
think they can grow in here, but it had to be in certain conditions. You know.
Okay.
Like,
Now, before you boiled these, did you score them on top to peel it easy, or are you just peeling it straight from boil?
go straight from boil. You know, one of the easiest way to know they're already ready when you boil them up is they pop up. You
Oh,
kinda-
they float to the top
Yeah.
of the pot?
Yeah. All right, so we got that. So when we put that in there, take that pepper, take it out. Now, I want to ask you something. We're gonna do this hot, or we're gonna do it like mild?
Hot.
Hot. All right. So we're not gonna take any of those stuff inside, the seeds, anything down. You know
I
what?
say hot because my dad always wants whatever we cook, and he loves hot. So
Okay.
it's hot for you, Dad.
Put those peppers in there.
So by leaving the seeds in it, it's gonna be hotter.
It's hotter.
Seeds in the membrane. Okay.
So you know, now Roy was asking me, they say you're gonna get hotter, right? So we're gonna have one of those habaneros that you have in there.
All right.
So again, we're not taking any seeds. We're not taking any of the stuff. That way,
Gonna make it real hot.
it's gonna be really.
Now
really
you can use
hot.
any kind of pepper you like at home. If you like jalapenos or whatever hot pepper you like, or sweet, you can use this with sweet pepper as well.
Yeah.
You can do it with the poblano or dulce, whatever they call it.
I mean, it's not gonna get that hot. And if you want a hot sauce, you should use some hot pepper.
Yeah.
So we're gonna use like a half an onion. Right there.
What is that sweet pepper we use for the empanadas? Well, is it dulce?
Dolce, yeah.
Yeah.
So
They almost
now-
look like a habanero. You gotta be careful.
Yeah,
'Cause
now,
they're a whole
so-
different situation.
So now to thicken this sauce, we're gonna use the same water we boiled up the tomatoes. We're gonna use probably like maybe a cup.
Similar to the time we made the pasta sauce, and you used the pasta water. Remember that?
Yeah.
That made the pasta water.
So we're gonna put it right there. And then we want to square a little bit of oil. Probably say like a couple 2 spoons maybe.
Did you get some pepper in your eye, did you?
Probably.
Oh man, that hurts bad. Like,
It is. It's hot. As you can see. Now we're gonna blend it all together.
So you get all that blended before you add the garlic and the cilantro and all that.
Now what you want to see that consistency is right first, which is nice. And then we're gonna add maybe a couple cloves of garlic, salt, pepper, and guess what?
Cumin.
Yes, a pinch of cumin.
Should change this show to cooking with cumin.
Now we're gonna let it there blend it really nice. So now you gotta see that the flavor is looking and it's smelling really good.
Cool.
So I don't know if you can see the color.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
It's coming out nice and yellow.
Oh, so you want to strain it so it's smooth, so there's no
Yeah, there's nothing on
chunks in there.
Nope. We don't need any of that because, like I said, it had to be like a table sauce, like
Right.
something that.
Now, how is this usually presented on the table? Is it a bottle usually, or just a little bowl?
Well,
Spoon it out?
after you when you make this, the tomatoes are hot.
Right.
So what you want to do is after you prepare, you put it in the fridge,
Yeah.
let it there for a couple hours, maybe 30 minutes if you want to use it right then.
Yeah.
As soon as it's cold, it's gonna taste different and good. So I don't know if you can see, but the color and consistency is really like creamy.
It's nice, yeah. So,
So we're gonna put this over here. Then we're gonna get ready for the garnishing. So for the garnishing, we're gonna use cilantro. You know, with me, cilantro is, I can never put a lot of cilantro. To me, cilantro is the basic and Latino flavor. For some reason, I grew up, my mom used to make all kinds of food, and the basic always cilantro, cumin.
did you grow cilantro right there in the yard?
Yeah,
It's
my
always
mom
around?
still does. She still has a garden going, and we have lettuce, cilantro,
So
broccoli.
she's gonna see the show in Ecuador, and she'll be able to
course.
send a message
Shout
if
out
you
to
did
my
it
mom,
right.
too.
Right? Hey, Carlos's family.
So próximamente we're gonna do it in Spanish. I think it's very important for people to understand. Like I'm trying to do right now, and we're talking English. The whole thing is because I'm here, in the United States. As soon as we start doing stuff for the, we start talking Spanish, trying to get some recipes.
Feel free to slide right into Spanish, man. I understand this much of it, and people will notice it.
It's exciting to see things coming out really good.
Oh, when you were saying a garnish, I thought you meant for the plate. You mean this is just something you add in fresh after it's mixed?
Yep.
I understand. I actually have a greenhouse going in where I live. It's being built over the next couple of weeks. So maybe we can figure out how to grow these tree tomatoes.
That'd be great.
We can have this sauce all the time.
That'd be interesting to see if we can grow. Now that'd be different. Really
Because
interesting
tropical,
to
right?
see
I mean,
that.
so it's like,
I mean, right now I think the sauce is ready, but we need to try the salt and pepper to make sure that everything is on point.
okay, do you want a tasting spoon?
Sure. I like you try too. Wait,
I don't know if it's too hot, man. Maybe
spicy, but
I should wait.
you want to wait?
No. It's nice.
The aftertaste.
Hit you in the back of the throat. It's good. It's a very nice flavor, though.
Right
It's
there,
very
now.
nice flavor.
I will get some wings. I toast it out. We're gonna present it to you how it's gonna be. There
All
you go.
right. That sauce smells great. And of course, Carlos and I being the wing kings here at Hot Rod Cafe, we got to try it on wings. We try it on everything. Let's see how it is on a wing.
So I think this is gonna be a third flavor that we're gonna have in Hot Rods.
31st, 33rd?
I think. And look, I think
This
there's
will be a
gonna
special flavor, though. This will be something maybe we do once a month or, on my birthday. Okay, now this is how we do our wings all the time at Hot Rods. To get the coating done, we get the hot wings and we get the hot sauce and toss it to get a nice even coating.
No,
Those look delicious.
It's good. Oh, you made me the honors too.
All right. You like the flats or the drummy? This is another thing. You guys call into us and let us know which one you like better, the flats or the drummies. I'm more of a flats guy.
I like anything.
All right.
Try this.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow, that's so good.
That's really
That's how we
good.
do it here at Winging It. We cook everything. These
Yes.
are delicious, Carlos.
Next time, if you have an idea for a sauce or you think or you hear something about sauce, just let us know. We'll try to put it together and we'll make it.
All right. Good stuff. I'm going to eat all these.
All
All
right.
right.
Half.
You want half? Okay. Maybe a couple for the camera guy, the director. Maybe.
They don't like them.
All right.